One of my old colleagues, when she was looking for her last role, used Prospect Health and was very pleased with the service and the help she received from them. So I actually then went and searched for them when I was looking at my next role. My job role currently is a senior veterinary surgeon working in a small animal hospital with about 8 or 9 other vets. Well, my contact was Chris, and he was very useful. I had quite specific criteria on what I wanted from my next role. I think as I was actually relatively happy with my previous job, so I was being quite picky, but actually really helped in the fact that he kind of put me in touch with the perfect jobs really, and I didn't have to sift through too many jobs that weren't really relevant to me. I think really the level of kind of personalisation and making sure, as I said before, about, I was only offered and shown job roles that were actually really very relevant to me. And actually that meant that everything that was put forward was worthwhile having a look through and actually applying for. So I think it was that really how kind of personal the service is. And actually with that, Chris was available to have a chat about all the jobs and kind of talk me through if I had any questions at any time. Well, it had been a little while since I'd had an interview, so it was actually really good to run through some of the basics. But he also knew quite a lot about the company and what their kind of interviews had been like previously. So he was able to give me a bit of an insight into, the kind of length of the process and what was likely to come up, and a bit of practice, kind of going through some questions. So that was really useful. Well, I feel the job was a really good kind of move forward from my previous job. It's really helped me kind of working with a real mix of experienced colleagues and actually the facilities. So it's really kind of helped me move forward with my kind of professional situation, and it's a job I'm enjoying, so that's always good. Yes, I would. I think for the kind of reasons I've described previously, but I think in comparison to a lot of recruitment agencies, I felt the service from Prospect Health was really efficient, it was really personal, and as I say, everything that I was recommended, really was kind of appropriate and personal to me. Yes, absolutely. I think they're very professional, very friendly, and I wouldn't hesitate to be in contact again.